So hi and welcome back. This is me, Arshi. In this video, I'm going to talk about Karnataka PGCET counseling, and also we're going to talk about their cutoff, the colleges, what you'll be getting out of these counseling. So ranks, colleges, seat allotment, we're going to talk about all in all. So first of all, we're going to talk about how PGCET counseling works, right? I think I've already made a video on the same. First of all, you just have to give PGCT examination. Once you'll get the result, that's basically result declaration. Then you'll get notifications for the counseling. You have to do registration, then document verification, right? Then choice filling, and then seat allotment rounds. And finally, reporting to all those colleges. It is very simple. Result allotment, schedules for counseling, document verification, online, offline, depends on state to state, choice filling, and you have, few rounds. And once you like the college, you just have to go to the college and report to that particular college with the fee structure. So this is basically the complete counseling process, right? Now moving to the second slide, which is approx rank trend for Bangalore MBA colleges, because in Karnataka, one of the most preferred location for colleges is Bangalore because it's being Silicon Valley. So previous year trend, if we talk about top colleges, usually under 500 to 1,500 rank, mid-tier colleges between 1,500 to 5,000 rank, and wider options open after 5,000 plus ranks, right? Now moving to the next slide, if I talk about why Bangalore MBA colleges, as I already talked about, startup ecosystem, it's known as Silicon Valley of India. Internship opportunities are more, corporate exposure is more, and off-campus hiring also increases because you can go to certain companies, you can apply on your own, you can go for the off-campus placement interviews and a lot more. Now, if I talk about the reality, higher cost of living and strong competition for placement, which is there. Now moving to the next slide, which is biggest counseling mistakes what students do, right? What they basically do is they only fill famous colleges. Let's in case if they have heard about some sort of colleges, they consider it as good colleges. You need to understand all these colleges which comes under, PGCET counseling, they are state level colleges. So it's not like that if there's some college which you're getting at a very low rank, then the college is absolutely perfect. You need to research, you need to look at the faculties, you need to look at the placement opportunities and what exactly that college is, and then you need to make your final decision. That's what I feel like when it comes to choosing a college. And obviously, students with famous name, they only fill for those colleges. They ignore backup options, lock lower colleges too early, don't research ROI properly. So plan for upgrade rounds strategically. That's not PAN, that is basically plan for, because you have certain rounds. So accordingly, you have to plan it out. So for that also, you will be getting all these updates on our channels. Don't forget to subscribe. Right from counseling, registration, verification, choice filling, everything we'll be talking about. Now moving to the next slide, which is basically now vacant MBA seats. If I talk about an important trend, thousands of MBA seats remain vacant, yearly in Karnataka. Better colleges become available in later round. Many students shift to private universities directly also, right? I am again telling, don't look for colleges just based on cutoff. Please research the real placements, the kind of faculties that college have, the kind of exposure that colleges can provide you. Let's in case if you're investing around 7 lakh rupees for your MBA colleges, you can invest another 2 lakh rupees, but you cannot go for MBA twice. So make sure, choosing a right college plays a very important role. And let's in case if you need any help at any point of time in terms of shortlisting your dream colleges, all you can do is fill the form which is there in the description box and get your queries answered. So patience during counseling definitely will help you. Now moving to the next slide, which is what students should actually check, right? So instead of just checking the campus size, brochure packages, social media marketing, go for the average packages. With average, median packages are also very important. Yesterday I created a video that, there's a huge difference when it comes to the average and the median packages. Recruiters, quality, internship support, alumni outcomes, ROI, which you'll be getting after the fee structure. So please calculate each and everything quite properly. Now, final takeaway, if I talk about Karnataka PGCET counseling, part strategy, part timing, part awareness, this is all something which is important. Rank alone doesn't decide your final MBA outcome. Smart counseling decision can completely change your MBA wala cheese. Also, we're going to have a complete list of colleges, with their cutoffs in the coming video. So stay tuned for that. So this is me, Arshi Khan, signing off. Milte ek aur episode ke saath.
I hope you like this video. For more such videos, keep watching our channel.
And do not forget to like, share and subscribe.